He carried a certain purpose and mandate for us, right? Which is why we have to understand why going through Christ in order to get to God is so important. And so there are a few legal terms that I really want to read as to why Christ is so important and why we are now in the image of Christ. Okay, so number one, Christ is ours. So we know that he's the Messiah, he's the Christ. You know, these are all spiritual terms that we are very well familiar with. But the terms that I really want to give you are legal terms. These are legal terms that describe who Christ is to us and why he is so important to the equation of restoring us back. Number one, he's our guarantor. Now, if you know what a guarantor is a person who takes responsibility, okay, for fulfilling an obligation of if the original party fails to do so. Okay, I'm going to read that again. Christ is our guarantor. A guarantor is a person who takes responsibility for fulfilling an obligation if the original party failed to do so. Number two, Christ is our redeemer. Now, in property law, particularly regarding mortgages, okay, a redeemer is someone who pays off a debt to reclaim property. All right, he is our trustee. In fiduciary law, a trustee manages assets on behalf of another, and he is our rescuer. A rescuer in tort law, the rescue doctrine may apply to someone who saves another introduced from harm. So he's our guarantor, our redeemer, our trustee, our rescuer. And again, these are all legal terms that describe who Christ is to us.